If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. That echo's so strong. Why did you put it up there? What does that mean to you?
I try very hard to break stuff down into simple concepts so that everybody can understand it. I try very hard to understand it at a 5th or 6th grade level, honestly. I am very fortunate. I do teach Sunday school to 3rd through 5th graders, and that helps out a lot because they're very quick to ask, what does that mean? How does that work? And what's going on? And I just naturally start to assume that with an older audience. Somebody at that age group will ask. Some of the students that we have, they won't ask because they don't want to feel stupid. So I do not assume that. I try to break stuff down in a very simple manner and don't over-explain it.